Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and the physical link because most failures are simple. Plug the included USB receiver into a rear PC port. Once done, power the Panda Mouse Pro and check the LED. This proves basic hardware is responsive. If it's rechargeable, charge for 2+ hours, then test with the supplied cable in wired mode. Make sure you try both wireless dongle and wired cable. This isolates battery or radio issues before you move to software fixes. Once connection basics are confirmed, tackle software and pairing because drivers and firmware often block input. You should forget the device in your Bluetooth settings or unplug the receiver, then reinstall by going to Device Manager. Uninstall the keyboard entry and restart so Windows reinstalls drivers automatically. Next, open the Panda utility or firmware tool. Update firmware via USB if offered, since wireless updates can fail. If pairing still drops, reset the keyboard's pairing button and repair while keeping the device close to the PC. You finish by verifying full functionality and performing a factory reset if needed, because persistent issues are either wrong configuration or hardware. Test every key in a text editor. Once done, run the keyboard's factory reset sequence from the manual, then repair and reload your profiles. If problems persist, plug the keyboard into another computer to determine if the fault follows the device. One key troubleshooting tip: if keys work on another PC, the issue is your system. Reinstall OS keyboard drivers or restore a recent system point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.